welcome back to another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how can we install ANX camera, that means MIUI camera, in Redmi 7 and Redmi Y3, and based on Android 11 of course. This is gonna be work in Android 11. This is not for Android 12, and don't try. So now let's get it started. First of all, we need two files, and one will be the core files and another will be the camera files. So now let's get it started, and let me show you the files. Here is the files, the core files and the camera files, and we need to flash the core files first, then we will flash the camera. So now let me open the magisk manager, and remember one thing, your device must be rooted, and if you don't want to root, then you can't use that feature. So install from storage, you guys already know that. Just flash the core files, and you guys can do reboot if you want to install separately, and if you face any problem, then do the same thing again. First install the core files and do reboot separately, and then after reboot install the camera. And due to I just want to make video short, so that's why I'm doing this. We just get back, again go to module and install the camera. I'm just doing this because I just want to make video short, so that's why I'm doing this, and my recommendation will be for you guys, just don't do this. First install MIUI, that core files, and then reboot, and after reboot then install the ANX camera, and then again reboot, and your ANX camera will work perfectly. And let it be flashed. So permissions done. Now do reboot system. So device booted. Now let's check ANX camera installed or not. So here you guys can see, and remember one thing, you guys will get one thing bonus, and that will be ANX scanner. You guys can scan any documents if you want to. So here is the scanner, and you guys can translate from the photos and word and document, whatever you want, and we have the QR code here. You guys can scan, so you will get it in bonus. And this gonna be the camera, ANX camera. Here you guys can see. So this is the camera, ANX camera. Now it's working in our Redmi 7, and you guys can choose HDR, auto HDR, whatever you want. And just remember one thing, you can face first time you can face the crash, but after using it will be okay, no issues on that, it will be fixed. Here you guys can see it got stuck, and how can we solve this, I will show you right now. So here you guys can see can't connect to camera, and you guys can face a problem like this. So we have the solution, just press and hold and go to app info and go to more, and just click on force stop and click OK. Now you are done, and just remove your recent tasks, just clear all, and now again open your camera. So here is the camera, and now click a photo. So here you guys can see. So here is the photo guys. Now it will be okay, you guys can easily use that camera. So hope you guys understand the video, and hopefully like the video. So if you guys really like that video, then hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and if you already subscribed, then thank you. So working, let me show you that. So you guys can record 1080 60 fps and 30 fps, no issues, and grid lines working, and photos and portrait modes. And let me show you, you guys can see the portrait photo. So here is that, you guys can click, no problem. And here is the video, you guys can see video record working. So this is the video sample, guys.